Loc Nation, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a upward fishtail braid. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. Okay family, so we're going to go ahead and get started on the fishtail braid going up, okay? Just like the one we did going down, we're going to start right here at the bottom. Grab our two locks at the front, the bottom, however you're doing your fishtail. We're going to do two twists. 1 and 2. Just like that, we have our two sections here that we're going to be working with. One thing I want to mention is this lock crosses over here, so we're going to grab a lock from this side, okay? Because we want it to cross, all right? So the first thing we're going to do, this lock will cross over this first one and under this second one. So we're gonna take the lock, okay, it goes over, okay, then it goes under, okay, it swings right on back around like an infinity braid, okay, over that first lock, under, okay, just like that. We're gonna go again, swing right back around, over, and then under, okay, just like that. We're gonna take this lock that we used to do a figure 8 on these two strands, and we're gonna add it to this lock here. And we're gonna take this lock that's right here in the back, this one, we're just gonna add it to this section here, okay? We're gonna take this lock here, and we're gonna go over, and then we're going to go under that second, okay? It swings right back around, over, see, over, under that second section, okay? It swings right back around, over, and it goes under that second section, okay? Swings back around, just like this, over, and then under, just like a figure 8, okay? We're gonna do it again, coming around, over, and then under, okay? Now keep in mind that we are literally wrapping the locks around the two sections that we are holding on to. We're wrapping the locks around these two sections, and we are doing a figure 8, okay? Now there's a lock here just in the middle of this section. I'm just gonna add it to this section because it's convenient. And we're gonna take that lock from the outer portion of this section of hair. And because this lock went over and then under here, we're gonna go ahead and grab that lock from the outer portion, continue our figure 8, grab the lock, it goes over that first section, under that second section. Comes right on back around just like this, goes over that first section, under that second section, okay? Again, we're wrapping it around like a figure 8, over, okay? Then under, okay? And we're gonna grab this lock here on the outer portion, and we are going to do the same thing. It goes over that first section, okay, then under this second section, okay? Bring it around, wrapping around again, over, then it goes under, okay? Wrapping around again, it goes over, then it goes under. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you want to focus on adding the locks that are on the outer perimeter of the hair into the braid. Okay, so I have some hair right here that I came to, and I'm just going to add it to a section because it's convenient, okay? I'm going to add it to the section, and I'm going to continue my braid because this one went over. See this lock right here? I'm just going to add it to this section right here. Just going to add it to that section, okay? Then we're going to take this lock over that first section. Sorry if you can't see. Over. All right. Under. Bring it back around. Over. Okay. And we're just using this lock, literally wrapping. It's coming over that section. Under. Just like a figure 8. Okay. Back around. Over. Through the middle. Under. This lock went under. Okay. And we're just going to add it to this section here. Now I'm holding on to 2 sections here, okay? And that lock went over and it's under now, okay? Over. This lock, it goes under that second section, okay? Around, okay? Goes under this second section here. Wrapping it around like a figure 8. Okay. We're going to add this lock in. We're going to go around. Around, under. I'm going to add this lock here into this section. This goes under, right into that section. We're going to take this lock here, goes over that first section, and it goes through the middle under, okay? Wraps right back around, through the middle. It's going to go under this section here. Going to come around through the middle under. Okay, we're going to add it to that section here. We're going to take this lock again, wrap this lock around our 2 sections in a figure 8. We're going over, okay, then we're going to go under. All right, we're going to bring it around, okay, through the middle. It's going under, okay, wrapping it around, through the middle, it's going under, okay. We're coming back around, oops, we're coming back around, through the middle under. We're going to add it to that section here. We're going to take this lock here on the outer portion. We're going to go ahead and it's going to go over, and then we're going to go under. Okay, I'm going to go around again. Go under. We're going to go around. Through the middle, we're going under. We're going to add this lock that we went under to this section here. We'll take this lock here. We're going to go over this first section. We're going to go under this second section. Okay, wrapping it around again. Over, and then we're going under. Okay, round, over, then under. We're going to go around again, over, then under, then under. We're going to add it to that section here. Okay, and this is our last lock up here. We're going to go over, okay, with that lock. I'm going to go under. I'm going to bring it around, over, and we're going to go under, over, then under. And what we're going to do now that we have reached the top of the braid and we're pretty much done, we're going to take our 2 sections and take the lock, and we're going to do a figure 8 around both sections. Over, and it goes under. Okay? Just doing a figure 8. Over, through the middle, under. Around, over, through the middle, under. And basically what we're doing now is an infinity braid, a figure 8, and that's basically what we have been doing up the braid the entire time. And when we get to the section where we want to add locks, we just add locks in. Okay, so we're just going to continue. Same thing, figure 8, over, under. Continue your figure 8 all the way until you are done. Okay, now that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks, any locticians that you know, or anyone who's in need of lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I ride with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here.